Okay, I'm actually waiting to make a new entry. I'm not actually feeling too well because stress really. So I just want to make a trade. Looking for the better opportunity. I'm actually trading manually. Reason is that I have a lot of things I'm doing on my phone. If I turn on the signal, I'm going to have serious disruption. So I'm actually waiting for a pullback. I'm waiting for a pullback. I want you to see the waiting process, right? I've waited for a pullback, so I just entered the pullback. So that's the trade there. You can see I waited for it 1 minute to make $16, and that's just what I want to show. I just wanted to show you how with patience and with the right mindset you can make the right trade and you are good to go. Okay, let me do another one. I'm just waiting for a pullback. A nice one. Just a minute. One more. Okay. I just had a pullback there so that I can show you. And the trade can actually read like this, so that you can see something like this. The previous one that I did was very fast, that I don't think you saw the trade. So I just said, let me do one more that will showcase that stuff. Now I think it's about pulling back. I'll be right back. Okay, this was what I did not get to show you. Okay, that's a signal, an 100K, 100 index. I'm not trading anymore. This was what I didn't get opportunity to show you, right? So you can see the movement. This one at least moved in your presence, so you saw it. That's 16%. So you can get to do this as many times as possible, as often as possible, and you'll be able to make good profits. But the challenge with many people is that, you see, most people always, okay, let me show you one of it right now. Let me see if I can quickly set this. I'm going to set it for a smaller percentage anyway, because the time is already gone. Yeah, the time is already gone. So let's do like 1. Okay, 1 gives us 13. The time is already far gone, so I'll wait for a pullback. My internet is a bit slow and sluggish today, so I'm not so much depending on that internet. So much sluggish. It's been sluggish, very sluggish, and very slow, very boring. Okay, I may have to pause, and okay, you can see the trade has pulled through. It didn't take much, so that's another 13%, right? So at least I've been able to show you 3 trades, right? Okay, I think I can rest for another 2 weeks. God bless you. See you in another video. Oh, it's real account. Don't be